को लेट है नहीं
Imran, send them.
ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅವರು ರಂಜಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಬಡವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ರಿಯಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಬಡವರು, ಊಟಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋರು, ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೂ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಈವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಬಡವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ವಾಲಂಟ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮಾರು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಸರ್. 2,000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್.
Dinesh Kumar. I am working on behalf of the Presidency University. We have come here for the distribution of food kit. I am really very happy to be a part of this wonderful occasion on this holy month of Ramzan. Our Honorable Chairman Dr. Nisar Ahmad Sir, Mrs. Chairman Kausar Ma'am, our Honorable Vice President Mr. Salman Ahmed Sir, and our Honorable Mrs. Vice President Ms. Shaima Ma'am have organized this wonderful event, offering around 2,000 to 3,000 kits to the needy people of Kadugunalli, especially because our Vice President has been here personally many times. He has adopted this wonderful school of DJ.Halli, and here we are with our staffs, with our students, NCC, NSS, and our Honorable Vice President Sir would have told this. Anything else, sir?
In this kit, what are the materials are there?
Sir, in this kit we have rice, atta, oil, salt, sugar, and 1 pack of dal.
Very good name.
My name is Dinesh Kumar.
Yeah.
Hi, I am Prashant. I am from Presidency University. I am proud to here because of NCC. We are doing lot of works and it's going on. You can see more people are coming. We are controlling them, and Presidency is providing a really big contribution to slum people. So it's a big thing. So I will say some words about NCC. Say some words.
Yeah, myself Tejashini. So I am from NSS student. Like it's a great service to society. we came here to food product distribution. Yeah, it's a great thing about Presidency University.
Hi, I'm Kirti from Presidency University. It's a great honor to coordinate this event. We are distributing food for the needy people. Hi, I'm Kirti from Presidency University. Today we are here from our university to distribute food for the needy people. It's a great honor to be a part of this special occasion. I'm really proud of myself, and to be coordinating this event, it's really such a honor.
My name is Mohammed Hanif. I am associated with the Presidency Group of Institutions since many years, and rightly now fully associated with Salman and the other management. Now I am working for in various capacities, Presinova and Presidency Group of Institutions, and it gives me great pleasure to see the yeoman job that has been done by the management group, especially the chairman, Mrs. Kausar Nisar, Mr. Salman, Saima. It is the vision of Salman, and he has got a soft corner towards this area, DJ.Halli. He was always wanting that this area, the illiteracy should go. He wants the people of this area to come up in life. He wants the economic condition of this area to improve. He's got a different DJ.Halli, different Tannery road, wherein this poverty, this illiteracy, the culture, everything changes and it comes into a dignified way. For this, he is working very hard and is prepared to do anything and go to any extent to see that this can be done.
Assalamu alaikum. Very good afternoon to everyone. Very pleased to announce that we have distributed over approximately 2,000 food kits on behalf of Presidency University and Presidency Foundation. We have given it to all those people who come under the below the poverty line, underprivileged, and the ones who are really in need. We have identified and all those locations and people, especially who are living in the slums. And I want to really compliment, and I'm really proud to say that our students have done an excellent job. They have taken this initiative. We have NCC as well as NSS in our university. They have taken this initiative. They have gone door to door, they have gone house to house. They have met the public at large. They have given the coupons, and today they have organized very well this program. Very smoothly it has gone down. So I want to thank each and every one of them. I'm very proud of them. And yeah, that's about it. And
where you select this place?
this particular place, DJ.Halli, as you all know, is one of the largest slums, not only in Bangalore but all in the entire country, especially one of the largest slums after Mumbai and everything. That is one of the reasons. Second reasons here is that not only are we distributing, but while we did that, we luckily got the MLA, Sri Akhanda Srinivas Murthy ji, as well as our Honorable Waqf Board Chairman, Mr. Shafi Sadi. So we had a deep discussion on not only about the distribution, but how we can take this area forward, how we can talk about development, about the need of education, about the need of quality infrastructure. So that collaboration, that initiative was something that I was very pleased with. That is the initiative, and because of this we are going to meet again next week. So that is something that I'm very happy about, that to share that at least we are collaborating from different, from education field, from politics and from the Waqf Board.
What are the social service regarding this Presidency?
We have now doing this ration from the entire month we've been doing it. We have almost crossed around 10,000 kits actually, food kits to around across Bangalore. And apart from that, what we have done is regarding in this school, we have already taken the initiative of, major initiative is hygiene. We are looking at how to improve the hygiene of the school because children study here. We don't want their health to be affected. Second thing is safety and security. As you all know, you all very well know, the media knows what the condition of the children of the schools are. Drugs is a very big problem. Children are fully into drugs and narcotics. So that is something also we discussed today also along with MLA and Waqf Board. The lack of teachers, there's a shortage of faculty in the school. We have met the BEO on this regard. So all these initiatives are already ongoing. We have already provided some IT infrastructure like portable digital classrooms, and we have already provided notebooks, and yeah, more or less that's how we are taking it up. The next thing is to organize here seminars along with the parents, along with the teachers, along with the students. So large scale seminars to be organized, because here the most important thing is education at large, not only to the students but also to the public at large. So that is one of the agendas going forward. So our students are going to take actively part in this. Not many universities allow the students to directly get into the the grind, get their hands dirty. So that's what we want our students to learn, the reality of the lives around such areas.
One more.
NCC club shuru kar.
Hello, mic testing. Okay, NCC wherever you are. NCC clap. NCC clap shuru kar.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.